town. So I imitate a villain, me like a school. Must see coke, them a sniff a pineapple studio.
I like that, the chatty business. Left that to raga you. Bumbuckle at you.
The chatty business, me left that to raga. So me rise up the thing, them way longer than a ladder.
Yo, you hear that a while ago? One day if you see what really a go on, Kraff just draft your line from a Vybz Kartel song more than a decade ago and use it also Malie Don head. Yo, me I tell you, I know not normal. It's obvious say yo, them two artists them do them homework and them themselves know say if you want to be the best, you have to learn from the best. You not go say take everything what them a do, but there are certain things where you have to pattern, and we see that a go on in the clash right now between Kraff and Malie Don. So Malie Don him drop a song titled Discipline, and Kraff after that drop a song titled Pan, and yo, a two good song. As we all know and as we all see, Malie Don a go hard from what they are, which make me come to the conclusion and say currently Malie Don look like him in the lead. But guess what? Kraff is not the only man who take something from the Gaza. We see Malie Don going on flow. And when we kick off the review, then we are going to see on the line, me I tell. But before me go further in the review of the two track where the artists them drop, me I ask one of them one thing to favor. Pause this video for a second and click the subscription button. Also click the notification bell just so that you will be notified each and every time a new video is uploaded on this channel. You reach this far. So don't go a step further without liking this video. Stay tuned. So yo, we're going to kick off the review with Malie Don song titled Discipline, and this are exactly how Malie Don kick it off. Check it out.
You no feel like me no kill juvenile, you no just send him come, send him come.
So in the video, you see a look you with a beg and a play and I say, yo, please not do me nothing, please me a beg and never me. And you just hear a man and say, watch you know, you see if you no feel like me don't kill juvenile, just send him come. Nobody feel like say, yo, show him a little youth, or him a 19, or him a 16, or him a 17. Me I go say, watch you know, me I give him a blind. No, and a so we work and we don't see alkaline tell you already. Say, yo, watch you know, in a creed. Oh, if you know say him a pitney. If you feel like say you're a bad man and you do badness, me no care who. And if you're a baby, just know say, yo, your head a go ox out. But what him say is not really the thing. If me never see the name Malie Don, if me never see the visual and say, yo, I'm Malie Don in this, me I tell you, nobody could tell me say them vocals ya and a Popcaan they on a track. It's like the man them both artists decide, so watch you know, we use this to be a Gaza war. So Kraff decides, so watch you know, me I pull something from the real boss, and then Malie decides, so watch you know, me I pull something from Popcaan, and me I tell you, the vocal where the man use, the voice where the man going at that tone, the pitch, everything. If you don't know about music and if you don't know how Popcaan sound, when Popcaan decides to watch you know, me are going to like a singing melody, you know that know and see say, yo, this sound almost identical to Popcaan.
Nah, no link as pain, me no know what did and I tell you. That boring flesh, you coulda tougher than a Modelo. How will you buy badness, armors and I sell you?
So Malie decide to ask Kraff, what kind of pain you sing about, my lad? Hombre, and what did Dan tell you? By the way, you sure are the right Dan you talk to? You sure are the man will run off Spain? I tell you say, yeah man, watch you know, we are one link. Hombre, you know no bad man and the real know that. Only way your name can attach to badness and if you buy that. And me would have want to know if Amazon you get it, because guess what? We know say you're a clown. We know say you're not bad. You're just a guan.
I love chat, go and go vlog and go follow terror. I bet you say I shall agree if them find him. Love chat pan in it like Instagram sign him.
And you don't know, you can't talk about a war in a dancehall and don't speak of our highlight, the war organizer. Remember, Terror Don tell her that every day. No matter the type of review, no matter the type of video he might do, he might make you know. So watch you know. A war, me love, and that more see me are the organizer. So I eat Malie Don, I ask Kraff, brother, every day you depend on Instagram or what? Instagram pay you, hombre, you're artist. Go in at the studio, drop a song, make we know say yo, you can actually do this, or else just go and go to vlogging like Terror Don.
Let them face a ground like my go school for tiling. Or them a chop on a deep tire mine him. Lift up the blood club and make it race out.
You see, back then, only Vybz Kartel alone usually use certain type of wordplay in him song. Now we see them artists, everybody, all the one them we say them dunks 100 times. We see them a use certain wordplay where we say, yo, them youth are not dunks like what them say. I mean, I talk Malie Don, because we don't know say them man they are bright you, but this is what the man I make you know say. Me left your face, your marrow, your head, everything splash out on the ground. Like so when me did go to school, a tiling me did I learn to do. Yo, them word play there, no normal, but him never done this. So youth, oh you say you're a chopper, but a deep joy and mine yo. Chacha, yo, me I wonder if I the same deep joy when me know, cause only one deep joy me know right now in a Jamaica, in a music, are the one who did enter Magnum, and he is a very talented artist, but we know how Jamaicans stay. We no love good music, so them artists then not gonna really get the shine and the highlight what them deserve. Probably, and that's why Malie Don highlight him. That's why I make you know say youth and man of mine, so easy yourself. You see that line here? The line here explain the term when Malie always I use throughout him song them, and whenever I speak of craft by saying, brother, you are not crafty. You're living our next man's style. Imitate Javelani father. Build your own style, create your own style and use it. Don't thief a next man's style. Yo, a whole heap of name get called, no, even though a lot of them is not in a bad light. No, cause we see where Terror name get called, Craft, obviously Theme name get called, Deep Joy name get called, no Javelani. But we check out some more track no man.
Burner style spinners like a shoes nail. You suck cocky mother put on her vacuum waste. Blood red up him shirt no feel like cool yet love ghost with
48 laws of power tell us that all is fear in love and war. That's all me I go say about that line.
Just dunk him and take him gun. He better them friend did I do track and feel him see him try take him run.
So one of the main thing we Kraft always I use for style up Malie is to say, yo, them man they are tracks them should have stick to, or them man they are tracks man, them man are artists, them love run up and down. But Malie I use that and this, them make them know say you and your friend them it better a track and feel that do, cause as you see the Inchatech, as you see a rifle, as you see a handgun, on a lift up gun like say you know or Usain Bolt, and even outside I've seen the Inchatech. Hombre, you run from the war, you run from the clash, you keep on a run up and down. So regardless, you are the one who fear the track and feel. But we're not going no further in a Malie song. We are going to check out some of our Kraft obviously in a his track titled Pan. This is how him kick it off.
I like that, the chatty business. Left Dr. Raga you. Bumbo clot you.
That way him say sound familiar? Think for a second and tell me if it sound familiar. But before you even finish thinking, remember more than a decade ago when Vybz Kartel dropped a song titled Real Bad Man, these were his exact words. Check it out.
The chatty business, me left Dr. Raga, so me rise up the thing them well longer than a ladder.
Yeah man, so a Gaza for Gaza, we see Malie Don, him use some of Popcaan flow, use some of Popcaan melody style in the intro, the first part of his song, and we see Kraft forward now and use Vybz Kartel line in him intro, the first part of his song, and now make me a wonder if them two youth a plan this. But me we check out some more of the track.
Big Glock impact in a Malie rip pop 16 with the telescope and the clip pop, which Ras can't stop the sibling kick up locks.
Yeah man, a so clash figure, a so name fi call out brawling. The man them now beat round no bushes like always enough of the so-called bigger artists them where go at it and do. Them just a drop some subliminal, them youth them a go direct, and that's what we love. That's what we want.
So me do it at the same Kyle Brock. Dan broke your hand and you a say a bike crash.
Yo, look like say everybody a pressure Malie Don and the broken thing there. You need to forward and talk the truth. As what me saying now, them two artists here, sister them do them homework, you know, same way when Mavado and Vybz Kartel are clashing up. We see Vybz Kartel forward and make him know, say, brother, a liar tell boy you crash off a bike and mash up your face, the scar in your face. Talk the truth. How you get that scar there? And the same thing Kraft, I tell Malie if you do. Talk the truth. Oh, you get that broken me.
Stop cap for your fans, not a line in a chop. 1K and no money that me use by shot. Strap box in a face like hands of God.
Everything you tell your fans, them a liar tell Malie. Every single thing, brother. One, you not chop no line. 2, the 1K the way I talk about, we use that by shot. We a chop way more than that. But the greatest thing we really need to do, a forward and tell the fans them say, no, you're not chop no line. You're just a little artist, we are try a thing and a deso everything.
How your fist tell me not crafty? It's them that your honey bank book stacking. How your fist tell me not crafty?
You can't want a better response than this. Oh, you fi say, me not crafty. Hombre, you pre me bank book. You see what really are going in my bank book. So when you are sing about me not crafty, and I said this and I said that about me, my bank book a chump way more weight than yours. My bank book a heavy weight. Your bank book a featherweight. So oh, you fi say me not crafty. You sure on yourself here at all?
Load the rhythm pan the pro tool. Let me show him how me date cool. One man is the tree cool. Welcome to the new school. Shot the fire, plack a face and turn it in a foo-foo.
Yo, watch out now. Me not will go no further in the review ya. Me I go make sure so me put a link for both tracks in the description so that you can check them out for yourself if you don't check them out as yet. But me know the war it get nice, and with Sting approximately a month ago, just know say you can expect anything on the stage.
She got no send a killer with a talk. Click clap. You see look up in a darkness. You shouldn't test me. Yeah.